Right then, time for me to introduce myself. I'm Saxton Hale, and I will be your guidance counselor for the evening. My fists will be your guide. Look out, it's Saxton Hale! You think you can take me on? Right then, tell me what you got, Puddin' Cup. You ain't got nothing on Saxton Hale! If you expect me to believe that you can take me on in a man-on-man fisticuff battle, you got another thing coming, Puddin' Cup. They don't call me Saxton Hale for nothing. Saxton Hale is coming right at you. Look out, Puddin' Cup. I really ought to stop calling people Puddin' Cup. It's making my fists hungry. You think your pathetic bullets can stop Saxton Hale? Right then, this is gonna be interesting. By interesting, I mean bone-breaking. And by bone-breaking, I mean your neck. My fists will be your god! Hey, Heavy, you want a sandwich? How about a knuckle sandwich? Saxton Hale! Saxton Hale! Right, that's all I got for now, Puddin'. Tell me what you think of my Saxton Hale impersonation, and maybe, just maybe, you'll get my fists of Australian fury!